I'm going to show you 9 Discord tricks you can use to be even more annoying than you already are. Now to ease you into it, let's start off with an easy trick. Did you know that you can send messages on Discord with colored text? Well, in the description there will be a link to Rebane's Discord color text generator, where you can create your own colored text. Now, it's extremely simple to use. Basically, you type in whatever you want. Then all you need to do is just select the words that you want in a certain color, and you have a foreground color, which is the color of the text, and you also have a background color, which is the color behind the text, kind of like a highlight. You can also bold and underline certain messages, and you can do both. Now, once your text is looking completely perfect to your eyes, all you need to do is copy the text as Discord formatted, go back to Discord, paste in this whole message. As you can see, there's a lot of stuff going on, but when you press enter, kaboom, I am a professional tax evader, and the IRS cannot stop me. Now, the only issue with this message is not that I'm lying to you, but it's the fact that this doesn't work on mobile, unfortunately. It'll just show some blank text with absolutely no color. Now, the next Discord trick to add to your being annoying toolbox is just spamming blank messages. Look at all these people spamming blank messages, filling up the chat with absolute nonsense. All you need to do is just type in underscore space underscore and press enter. It's that simple. However, I want to make it clear that if you add reactions to this message, it looks a little weird. It could be better. Now, I decided to amp up the tomfoolery, and in the description there will be a link to a Google Drive that has an invisible attachment.png. Now, what this file is, it's just a 1x1 invisible pixel. And if you send this image as an attachment and you press enter, things are looking a little weird. Let me delete my previous old blank message. And now, if I add a reaction to this message, you will see that it literally looks like there's no message at all, which is a little bit confusing. Now, the best part about this is that on desktop, this looks like a super small image. However, on mobile, it just looks like a massive blank image, which can be extremely annoying. Now, this next trick is perfect if you have stupid friends that click on every single link they're sent on Discord, because this link allows you to control their Discord account and force them to reset their password. Now, you can do a couple other things, but this is called app protocols, and this will be linked in the description, but these are URLs that you can use to make people go to different parts of Discord. Now, this doesn't work on mobile, but if you want your friend to change their password, if you scroll down to the very bottom, you will see that there is account, and you can force them to reset their password. So you just need to copy this app protocol, discord://dash/reset. How did I say that properly the first time? Well, once you copy this, you just need to go back into Discord, and to not change your password, just press back on your mouse button. But once you have that copied, you need to send an open angled bracket, then paste in this Discord app protocol and close it off with a closed angled bracket. And once you send that, you now have this Discord reset link, and if someone clicks on it and clicks open link, they'll change their password. Now, at the top of this app protocols page, there is a Nitro homepage, which is the Discord store page, and this is perfect if your friends keep begging for Nitro, because what you can do is you could do Markdown in combination with Discord app protocols. So you do your square brackets and you enter in free Nitro, or literally anything to convince your stupid friend to click on this link. Then you do these round brackets, then you put in those angled brackets, and in between these angled brackets, you paste in that Discord app protocol and press enter, and now you have a free Nitro link. And if your absolute numbskull friend clicks on this link and clicks on open link, their free Nitro is right here. They just need to buy it themselves like a normal person. Speaking of Nitro though, this next trick is perfect for all those friends that keep on begging you for Discord Nitro, because you can send your friends fake and even bugged Discord Nitro gifts. Now, how is this link bugged? Well, it says that somebody already claimed this gift, but if you're really good at gaslighting your friends and you manage to convince them to click on this link up here, it'll open up Discord, it'll say opening Discord app. Oh, what has Discord got in store for me? I've been gifted 1 year of Nitro? Oh my gosh. And they click on accept and it just doesn't work. But the tomfoolery doesn't stop there. Remember those app protocols that I showed you before? Well, this is a Discord Nitro gift link, and if you click on it, it's going to take you to that Discord reset page. Now, these two tricks will actually be in a Google Drive link in the description, and there's actually a fair bit of stuff I'm going to show you. So we have this bugged link that I've already shown you, and we have this reset password link, and this is actually what made that whole fake gift possible. If I paste this in, we can see that we have our Discord Nitro gift, and note this is a little more advanced than it seems because this Nitro gift has an invisible symbol right after HTTPS, so this doesn't convert into a link. But this is our fake link, and the link after this is where we want people to go to. Now, you could have this as a Discord app protocol, or you can put in any website that you want. But here's the thing, when you put in a website, first off, it might show the contents of the website, and if it does that, what you need to do is you need to edit your message and put angled brackets around your link. Now, once you do that, the embed to the website will disappear, but there's still a problem, because if you click on the link, it'll say you're going to YouTube. This just spoiled the whole entire thing. But that's where this trick keeps on giving, because back in this Google Drive link I've been talking about, Discord actually has their own Rickroll link. Discord.com/vanity URL, all this other bogus stuff. If you actually paste this into Discord and you press enter, it's a Rick Astley link. But we're going to use that to our advantage. Now, the whole completed code for this will be in the Google Drive link, just for your convenience. But I'm going to paste in this old Discord reset gift link I've already talked about, and I'm going to replace the reset protocol with Discord's Rickroll full link, and everything in combination together. This is the cream of the crop. This is a Discord gift link, but if someone clicks on discord.gift, they instantly, without any pop-up, get sent to my boy, Mr. Rick Astley. And the reason why there's no pop-up like this is because the link that we used is a discord.com domain. Discord doesn't give you any pop-ups at all. It just automatically opens it up. Now, it doesn't just stop at fake Nitro gift links, though, because my next trick allows you to fake an invite link. You can trick your friends into thinking you took over the Roblox Discord server, or you can make them join a fake server, which is kind of terrifying. Now, once again, there will be a link in the description to a Google Drive link with a fake invite.txt file. We want to copy all the text in this file, and we want to paste it into Discord. Now, the way that this link works is that you have your fake invite link as the first link here. So we have it as Roblox. Then for the second and third link, you want to put in your actual Discord server invite. For me, mine is NTTS. And when you send this message, it will look like this is a Roblox invite link. And the best part about this is that if you do click on the Roblox invite link, it will take you to my Discord server. Now, to stop yourself from getting tricked by this, all you need to do is just hover over the invite link, and you'll see in the little tooltip that there are two links. There's Roblox on the top and my NTTS link on the bottom. If you hover over a real invite link, it will just show the link. So if you see two links here, run away. It is a fake invite. If you see one, it is the real invite. And if you're super duper sketched out for some reason, literally just add a new server and type in the invite manually. Oh god, I'm joining the Roblox server. Now this next trick is to spice up your Discord profile. Did you know that you can make your own custom banner in your Discord about me? It's extremely easy to do this, but it requires Nitro. So if you don't have Nitro, skip to the next trick. But if you do have Nitro, then you need to go to the link in the description. It will be discotools.xyz, and you can create your own badge. And this allows you to create your own little banner. Now you can select different shapes, you can select the text, you can choose the background colors as well as the transparency, as well as the text color and the transparency. And you can have gradients too, oh my gosh. You can also enable or disable the icon, and you can choose the color of the icon, what the icon is, and finally, if you want it on the left side, the right side, or both sides. Now once you have exactly what you want to click on download as zip, and you will get badges.zip. Now a quick little tip for you, this banner is way too long. In fact, I already tried and I failed miserably. So whenever you make a banner and you get the zip file, you need to make sure that it stops at 6.png. So 7 images total because it starts off at 0. If you have more than 7 images, then your banner will not fit. So maybe reduce the jokes, remove the icons. This looks pretty good. Download a zip. I open up the zip file and it ends at 6. I can use this banner. Now, once you extract that zip file and you have all of these images, you need to go to some random Discord server that you own, or just make a new Discord server, then go to the server settings, go to emoji, then upload emoji, and you need to upload all of your banner emojis. So just click on 0, hold shift, click on 6, it'll select them all, press open, and Discord should upload each one of these emojis. Now, once these emojis are uploaded, click on escape, go to your user settings, go to profiles, and go to your about me. Once again, you need Nitro to do this, but then you want to go to the emoji picker, and now you need to select each part of your banner. Now, once you select each emoji, you'll realize, wow, this looks ugly. That's because you need to remove a space from each emoji. But once you do that, it's looking good already, baby. Look at that. About me. Discord degenerate. And my god, it rings true. Now, I absolutely love this next trick, but my Discord profile can tell if you're looking at my profile on mobile or on desktop, and you can use it to trick your friends into thinking you're in their account or something, whatever inflates your ego. But this trick is actually ridiculously simple. On r/Discord app, someone made a post talking about this little status that detects if you're on mobile or if you're on desktop, and thankfully for me, I didn't have to do a whole bunch because the person that actually did this, they shared their TXT file of their about me. So I turned their about me into a template, and this will be in a Google Drive link in the description, but it's aboutme.txt, and if you open it up and you copy all this text and you go to your Discord profile and you paste in your about me, you should have a message that replicates what I showed at the beginning. Now this about me is broken up into 3 distinct sections. We have the top section, we have the middle section, and we have the bottom mobile section. Now we're going to start off from the bottom, and this is the message that you send to mobile users. But you can change this message to be whatever you want. I changed it to say I hacked into the phone you are using. Now next up we have our second section here. This is the message that will show up on desktop. Now, the very important thing about this section is that there is a space here. If you remove this space, things won't work. And when you want to customize this message, you also have more restrictions. First off, your message needs to have a capital at the very beginning. If there is no capital, your message will be gray. Gray equals bad. So make sure there is a capital at the very beginning, and you also cannot have spaces. You need to have underscores instead of spaces. So I changed the message. I said I hacked into the PC you are using, and once again, there is a capital letter at the very very beginning and there are underscores instead of spaces. Now, once you do that, there is one final thing you need to modify, the very top. Now, this top section will show to everyone. However, there is a problem. When you increase your About Me, you'll see on the top right here in this preview, we don't see the desktop thing anymore. So all you need to do is just remove some of these new lines that I made in the template. Press backspace. And as you can see, the desktop message reappears. You want to make sure that it's at the very end though. If you have something like this, where you can see the new line in 3 dots, this is bad. Make sure there are enough new lines so it looks like this. The 3 dots are on the right of your message. And once you do that and click on Save Changes, you're done. You go to desktop, you click on your profile, it says I hacked into the PC you are using, and if I go on my phone and ignore the fact that my mom texted me, you will see that in my bio, it doesn't show the desktop message and it only shows the phone message or the mobile message. Uh-oh, gamers, it turns out after trying to do that for 30 minutes and being on Discord for 12 hours a day, it turns out I got a warning on my profile. User suspected to be a chronically online user. This is fake, and a lot of people use this to fake being flagged on Discord as part of an organization. Now, there will be a Google Drive link in the description. Open it up and you will see a couple of examples. You have the chronically online user, and then you have the organization one. Maybe don't use this one because some moron might actually report you. But all you really need is just this icon here. However, if you want to just copy the example that I gave, all you need to do is just click on your Discord profile, click on Set Custom Status, and you just want to paste in the message. And then clear after, you can set this to never clear at all, and kaboom, baby, now you're part of kaboom, baby, now you're part of the chronically online user group. Now, this next trick is not going to last long. In fact, Discord's patching it next week, but you can get anyone on Discord mobile to crash if they view your profile, and it is extremely easy. All you need to do is just go to your Discord About Me and just type in this open bracket, sound, colon, then press the 1 key, and then press the close bracket, and it should turn into quack. You have the quack sound in your profile. Now, this is absolutely hilarious, but if I go on my phone right now and I press on my Discord profile, it opens up and it crashes. And finally, I have saved the best for very last, the most nerdiest trick in the book to annoy your friends: bait videos. You send a link to your friends and it has a very suggestive thumbnail, and all they have to do is click play on the video and they get to see what's inside.
Stop it. Get some help.
Oh, okay. But there's also another thing you could do with this. You could have a GIF that's actually a video, which is a little bit strange. And the best part of this all is that if you click on the link to the website, it will redirect you to any website on the planet. For me, I obviously self-promoted my own YouTube channel because I'm just an absolute loser. Now, doing this is actually surprisingly easy. What you need to do is you need to have a GitHub account, or you need to make a GitHub account. The more goofy your username, the more goofy the URL is going to be. Now, once you have a GitHub account that you're happy with, what you need to do is you need to go in the description to this goofy site GitHub repository. And what you need to do is you need to click on fork. This is basically just copying the repository. Now, the name of the repository is extremely important because if I go to my links here, you'll see that it's github.io/goofy site. That is the name of the repository. So if you want to change it to something like Among Us so that your link looks like this, then you need to change the repository name to Among Us. Once you do that, click on create fork. And while it's creating this fork and copying stuff, we need to figure out which images and what videos do we want to prank people with. So that example that I showed you at the very beginning, I have a GIF and I also have Michael Jordan saying stop it. You can choose whatever you want, but you just need to have a thumbnail image and then the video. And once you have these two pieces of media, what you need to do is you need to go to your GitHub repo and you just need to click on media, then you need to click on add file, upload files, and this is where you want to drag in your images and your videos. So I have my anime thing and my stop at MP4. I drag both of these in to upload them. I scroll down and I click on commit changes. Now, once we upload our images, we need to do two things. First off, we're going to open this in a new tab by middle clicking it, just so we know the names of the files, but then we need to go back and we need to edit this index.html file. So click on it, then click on this little pencil here to edit this file, and we need to change the properties of this website. So we have three things we can change. We can change the thumbnail or the image that shows up before you click on play, and we need to change the URL to this actual image. Now the link should be raw.githubusercontent.com, and where it says Discord Nitro, you want to replace it with your GitHub username, which will show up right here at the very top. Then for this media files thing, we just need to copy what's to the right of your username, which for me is Among Us. So I'm going to replace media files with Among Us. And finally, at the end, h.gift, we need to change into our file name. And for me, this is animesomething.gif. So I'm just going to copy that name lazily and paste it in at the end. So at the end of it all, we should have your GitHub username, the name of your GitHub repo, and then finally the name of your file that you saved in the media folder, which for me is an anime girl GIF. First step, done. Now for the video link, we need to do the exact same thing. Replace Discord Nitro with your GitHub username. Then for media-files, we need to replace it with the GitHub repo name, which is Among Us. We keep main and we keep media. And finally, for this MP4 file, we go back to our media folder and we just copy the name of the new video that we want, which is stopit.mp4. And we just replace the name here with stopit.mp4. And then we have the final part, your redirect URL. Because remember, if I click on this link here, it will take me to my YouTube channel. For you, you might want to change it to a different URL. So just right in this section here, replace the URL with whatever website you want. And once you do all that, and make sure to double check everything, click on commit changes. Just click on commit changes. But once you do that, we need to convert this GitHub repo into a website. So we need to click on settings up here, click on pages on the left. Then you will see build and deployment and it says branch. We need to click on none, the drop-down menu, click on main, then click on save. And now it is going to start up your website. Once you wait like 1 to 3 minutes, depending on how busy GitHub is, if you refresh the page, you should see your site is live at discordnitro.github.io/amongus, or whatever you name it. All you want to do is copy this link and you already know what's happening. Paste this bad boy into Discord and it's the thing I showed you at the very beginning. I need to see what this GIF is. I need it.
Stop it. Get some help.
Now, I don't want to spoil everything with this, but if you paste in your link and you type in goober at the end and you press enter, you will get this meme of Neil Breen and this guy screaming, "Hello, YouTube." But the way that you get multiple memes on the same website is just by adding a new folder to your GitHub repository. Remember the name Goober? Well, this is the Goober folder. And inside of the Goober folder, there is another index.html file with a whole bunch of different memes. So if you want to change the URL and have different branches, all you need to do is just make different folders. And I'll let you do that yourself because explaining it would drive me up the wall because I've already failed 30 times explaining this already. So that's all I got, sweetheart. Have fun sending in these weird videos to your friends. Just make sure to abide by GitHub's TOS, okay? Don't be uploading no raunchy stuff, okay? I don't want to see it. Okay, bye-bye. I love you. Mwah!